Embark on an enchanting voyage to the grandest pear orchard in the USA, nestled in the heart of California's fertile lands. Here, amidst the sprawling beauty of the Sacramento River Delta, Lake and Mendocino counties, lies the illustrious domain of the Rivermaid Trading Company. Welcome to Rivermaid, the veritable titan of California Bartlett and Bosque pears, reigning supreme over a vast expanse of 4,000 acres of orchards. Prepare to be captivated by the symphony of nature's marvels as you delve into the meticulous artistry of pear cultivation. Witness firsthand the delicate choreography of planting, nurturing, and pollination, each step infused with boundless dedication and unparalleled expertise. Traverse through the verdant aisles where the bountiful harvest awaits, ripe for the picking. California stands as a beacon of pear prowess, with Rivermaid leading the charge, overseeing over 50% of the state's pear production. Here, every pear tells a tale of craftsmanship and commitment, a testament to the enduring legacy of excellence in agricultural ingenuity. Welcome to a realm where passion meets perfection, where each succulent pear embodies the essence of California's fertile abundance. The foundation of any successful orchard lies in its planting process. The selection of pear varieties is crucial, with considerations for climate, soil type, and market demand. Trees are planted in well-prepared soil, enriched with organic matter to support healthy root development. The planting process involves precise spacing to allow ample sunlight and airflow, reducing the risk of disease and ensuring robust growth. Irrigation techniques are employed to maintain optimal moisture levels. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing wastage and maximizing efficiency. Soil moisture sensors are utilized to monitor conditions, enabling precise control over irrigation schedules. This technology ensures that trees receive sufficient water without the risk of overwatering, which can compromise root health. Pollination is a critical phase in Rivermaid's pear production, influencing fruit yield and quality. The orchard relies on a combination of natural pollinators and managed pollination strategies. Beehives are strategically placed throughout the orchard to enhance pollination efficiency. Diverse flowering plants attract and sustain bee populations, ensuring thorough pollination. In some areas, mechanical pollination methods are employed to supplement natural pollination efforts. Maintaining the health and productivity of the orchard requires continuous care. Integrated pest management, IPM strategies, are implemented to control pests and diseases while minimizing environmental impact. Regular monitoring helps identify potential threats early, allowing for targeted interventions. Pruning is another essential practice, promoting tree structure and airflow to reduce the risk of disease and improve fruit quality. Harvesting in Rivermaid's orchard is a well-coordinated operation, blending manual labor with mechanized equipment. Pears are harvested at the peak of ripeness to ensure optimal flavor and texture. Workers carefully hand-pick the fruit, which is then sorted and graded for quality. Advanced sorting technology ensures consistency and precision. The fruit is gently transported to prevent bruising, maintaining its pristine condition. Upon harvest, pears undergo rigorous processing to prepare them for market. Sorting and grading ensure that only the finest fruit reaches consumers. Pears are washed and sanitized to remove any impurities before being carefully packaged. Rivermaid prioritizes eco-friendly packaging materials, reflecting its commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship. Rivermaid is dedicated to sustainable farming practices, employing various initiatives to minimize its environmental footprint. Organic fertilizers and compost enrich the soil, reducing reliance on synthetic inputs. Water conservation measures, such as drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting, help preserve this precious resource. The orchard also invests in renewable energy sources, further reducing its environmental impact. In recent years, Rivermaid Trading Company has seen remarkable growth in both revenue and production. In 2022, the company reported a revenue of $150 million, with a total production of 200,000 tons of pears, a significant increase from previous years. This upward trend continued in 2023, with revenue soaring to $165 million and production reaching 220,000 tons. These impressive figures underscore Rivermaid's dominant position in the pear industry and its unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. The company's success is not only a testament to its effective farming practices, but also to its strategic market expansion and strong consumer demand for its premium pears. Beyond its agricultural endeavors, Rivermaid plays an active role in the local community. It provides employment opportunities and supports local economies through its operations. Educational programs and tours offer insights into sustainable farming practices and the importance of agriculture. Collaboration with universities and agricultural organizations fosters innovation and continuous improvement. Explore Rivermaid's pear orchard and witness the meticulous process of pear cultivation, from planting to harvesting. Their commitment to quality and sustainability ensures premium pears while preserving the land for future generations. This journey highlights the artistry of pear farming and the vital role of sustainable practices in agriculture. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of farming.